Hello everyone. So let's understand while changing from direct to indirect speech, what are the certain rules which we have to follow. So let's begin. The first one is indirect speech, no inverted comma. When we are changing from direct to indirect speech, the inverted commas are not there. Means we don't have to use the inverted commas. Second one is conjunctions. We have to use a conjunctions like that, if, whether, used after the reporting verb. After the reporting verb. The first word after the reported speech will begin with the capital letter. Okay. Now the tense of the reporting verb there will be no change at all. The tense of the reporting verb. Reporting, remember, reporting verb. Now next one is reporting verb changes like in that sense, like told, asked, inquired. We can use this word suggested, told, asked and inquired. If you've liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. These are the certain rules which we have to follow in the narration. Thank you everyone.